Autometro train implementation project. Toy train with 12-volt motor. It is a main control circuit, keypad to set time, main reset circuit, clock time set reset circuit. LCD is now asking for code. Code is 200553. Here is 8051 microcontroller, particular chip number 8089S502 with 8 kilobyte flash memory and 32 IO ports. Here is a buzzer for audible intimation, relay driver ULN2803, LM317, adjustable voltage regulator. This port or portion is used here for control the speed of the motor, because at the start of the project we do not have information about motor voltage and motor speed, so we have used it, and now we will control the speed via this multi-turn preset. A required speed will be obtained by this circuitry. This is motor connectors. Here we have temperature sensor LM35, which is connected with operational amplifier IC op-amp LM358. This white preset is for temperature sensing, 10 kilo ohm preset. Connection of this temperature sensor, fire sensor, this mercury switch for accident attempt, and the obstacle detector HCSR04, the ultrasonic distance sensor for 4 meters, is connected with this 80 mega 8. If any of the one error is occurred, if the fire detected, accident attempt or obstacle detected in front of the train, the green LED will off and red LED will on. See. So the error detection portion is here. This unit will identify only errors and carry the command to the main microcontroller, which is 8051, which will control buzzer, RTC, motor, coding, GSM for error messages, accident messages, emergency switches, and the door operation. This door will operate automatically at the station side. If the station arrived and the train stops, door will open automatically. Then after leaving the station, microcontroller will make the door close. After 1 second, train will start running. If any error occurred from fire detection, accident detection or obstacle detection, the SMS will be sent to the destination number via this SIM300 GSM modem. Please be sure before operating that the second glowing light, blinking light, should be slow. It should blink after every 2 or 3 seconds. If it glows or blink faster than it means the system is searching for network or SIM card is not in network. So make the power supply off and on. Here we have provided a 12-volt charging socket. 12-volt 1 ampere power supply should be inserted in it. The center point is positive, the body is ground. The battery will be charged in some time. Now we will start the project to see the name. At reset, door will open and close one time. Asking for password. Password is 20055